love it when I turn off the bass.
Gas station, right?
Welcome to the stream, my boy.
Dude, freaking awesome. If you're confused.
What is going on? This might lead to the others.
So no toolbox in your tunnel. Trying to make noise.
It's one in basement. Shit.
One in south tunnel.
The cook name is Hack Pro.
I might be able to break those locks now.
Make sure y'all stay on your toes.
Okay, Anna.
I'm really
Stay
in front of
calm. You can use this. I have to find the others.
Hack Pro 493.
This might
Actually
fit
here.
in the door.
Oh fuck, we're
That's
on
a
the
GG.
path.
Need help? Do you need help?
I'll take
What
the
was
hit.
it?
I'll take the hit. I'll take the hit. No worries. I got it. I got it.
I'm gonna shank him in a bit. I shanked him, We're good.
Bring that ladder.
Yeah, bring up south tunnel.
Something for this one. It's getting worse. Shit. I'm not sure I can make it. I can use
Grandpa's
that.
outside.
You went outside.
Yeah.
Just
I'ma
close the
try
door,
to
I mean.
defuse.
Just close the door.
Grandpa's feeding Cook. I mean, Cook's
Yeah.
feeding Grandpa.
Oh yeah, Grandpa's being cooked. What a great grandfather. We went outside tool storage. Go with ladder.
Leatherface and Cook is just standing near Grandpa.
Yeah. I think
Leatherface.
Hey, I see. I'm gonna break open the thing in a bit.
This might come in handy.
Hey Anna, do you have a lockpick?
I do, but I'm trying to do fuse.
Do you have the fuse with you? I can distract
Yes.
him for a bit. Hold on, I'm distracting Cook,
Alright. Say less. Don't bring him to
I'm gonna
fuse.
fight him in a bit. Bring him back here and fight him.
Oh no, you're dead. You're dead.
Oh no! Fucked up, I didn't realize how close. I should have
Fuse,
shoulder
man.
checked him. Fuck, never mind. That was stupid.
Fuse is in, but they both are over there.
That was a mistake. I should have just fucking ran for it and shoulder checked him. Didn't know they were that close.
Hitch is feeding Grandpa.
Stay focused.
Fuck, how did I realize they're close? Fucking hitchhiker.
Somebody went to the back of the house.
Yeah, Leatherface was back here for a
Grandpa
second.
is by fuse listening.
Grandpa's by fuse listening. Got it.
Yeah. The fucking
Do other
old
activities
ass
then.
man.
Do other
They're
shit.
they're both just right in front of me.
Who the hell are these
What
people?
is happening?
Damn, they have that
I
perk I think where it's
can't get
harder to do
through.
locks.
Yeah. Nobody escapes now.
Hitch just trapped fucking fuse.
Got it.
This is a horrible spot. Or they all feeding Grandpa. Yeah, damn.
I have red container gate open.
This
Hitch is chasing
Work on those
Julie.
doors.
I'm trying to jump, bro.
Wait, there's a valve. Handle, you see it, Connie. You can try to do valve here.
Oh shit. This generator's wide open.
Trap on
That's
the
some weird
on this
shit.
thing.
Where at? Right side?
Yeah.
I don't have my ability, but I'm coming.
Grandpa's here. He ain't even see me. What the fuck?
Mo, keep doing what you gotta do, my boy.
Hey, facts.
You got proficiency?
Nah.
Oh no.
You got a lockpick on this bitch, so it's gonna take a minute.
2 of them there. Don't leave them there.
Yeah, I'm dead here, dog.
We have balls near you.
Oh, what? Damn, bro, they just sold me on that. Damn, they just sold me. I may have to do generator.
Why? What happened? What the fuck is going on?
My fucking lockpick, bro.
No shot. I'm dead here. I'm fucking dead here. No way, man.
Hitch and Bubba are probably chasing on other Connie.
But let me know about Jen. Oh shit, who's over there?
I got
I
you.
am.
I got you.
Oh, there's a
Leatherface
trap
style
here.
out.
I'm
I
fucked.
gotta find something for the pain.
I'm fucked.
What's the word? What's the word over in Jen?
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Not yet, not yet, not yet.
My god.
Keep him distracted. Keep him distracted. I'm gonna try to kick that bitch off.
Wait, did you already unlock the gate?
Yeah, I'm unlocking it now. The gate is unlocked. You gotta kick the gen off.
Let me know when you start kicking Jen.
Please, help me.
Is the right side gate still good?
I can't tell from where I'm at. He may have closed it.
He probably did close it.
But he's definitely over by the red door right now.
The other face is going towards battery.
Alright. Yeah, Cook is still over here at this fucking door.
There's no health right there. Fuck. Is there one near Grandpa? Yes, there is. Hello?
This looks safe.
This man
It'll
is
help.
going back.
If you have a bone scrap, you can do fuse.
Oh shit, yeah.
Fuse is in the box.
He see me, bro.
It's open. I saw
there's a
that.
health
But I
bar.
don't know if
This
it's.
is antiseptic.
There's a trap on it though.
Wound.
Yeah, but is there a fuse in there?
Yes, there is.
Okay. Okay.
There's a trap in there too. Gotta get a bone knife or something.
Not one there. Not one
Should be
here.
one by bridge. Check the bridge.
Yeah, Cook is still over here. This motherfucker right here, bro.
Got this.
I popped the left side battery. I'm running to do battery. I hope there's not a trap over here. It probably is because he's weird.
It's a
No,
bone
there's
scrap
not.
though.
I'm well.
Did you unlock the last gate
Another
though?
face and Cooker at
No, I didn't do
this,
last gate. Hitchhiker's here, bro? No way. Bro, I don't think there's no health down here. I'm beat up. You got a health pot anywhere? Because I know you got extra drip on, right?
Yeah, dude. There may be one over here to bush ladder. On the bush ladder.
Might have to try to make it upstairs if you don't see one.
Yeah, I got one over here.
Where are you trying to meet at?
Shit.
Thicket tunnel. There's one.
Alright, I'm going to Thicket Tunnel. Hurry up, I'm about to die. Oh man. Cook heard me too over here.
Fuse is in, but Hitchhiker got a trap on that bit.
Think.
And the gate's unlocked
Just
at
look
Jenny.
around, Connie.
Grab bone scrap.
God, is this human?
So they gotta watch both sides, pretty much. That means Fuse or Valve is the play. This shit ain't even allowed though, fuck.
Number 4.
This should help stop the bleeding. I think.
You guys need to shank Grandpa in a bed.
Yeah. I'm gonna get him right
got it.
now. This thing ain't even unlocked. Bro, what the hell were we doing down here?
The house basement ain't unlocked. I got it.
Got it.
Ain't got no reason to be in the house. See if I can snag a valve real quick.
Bubba's feeding Grandpa.
This motherfucker, bro. I was in front of Jen's side.
I'm tougher than I look.
Cookie's listening.
Get another scrap. I'm gonna stab that motherfucker again. Hopefully he's not coming down here right now.
Oh my god, bro.
So I'm gonna try to get to Fuse.
Like, why are you even in the house, bro? There's nothing to do in the house. You have no reason to be in the fucking house, but... Unless you fucking... doing some sus shit.
He's at level 4, I might as well keep it. And we don't have generator open, right? We don't have any of the gates open.
Yeah, I opened battery. The red Connex gate.
Yeah, I need gen now.
Yeah, no, I think they just left gen open. That's why he was able to sneak in. Fuse is in.
Somebody's here.
Yeah, they fucking camping Grandpa heavy.
Going for it.
You got a trap on it. Shit.
I see you, Hitch.
Looking at well. You just went inside the house.
Where we at? Where we at?
2,000 years later.
That's an easy dub.
I think
Come
got
on,
it.
baby. Come on, baby.
It's easy. It's easy, money.
Come on, baby. We out, my boy.
Hey,
Sheesh,
shit.
that's a
Nice,
video.
nice.
That's just past hit too, bro. He was like, man, they ain't about to touch this fuse. I just came
That's
from over
the
there,
best time to
man."
try to do something. Best time.